So why use Python? Well, one of the biggest reasons is that Python is one of the most popular programming languages of the day. There are many other people using Python, which means there's lots of help out there if you need it, if you get stuck on something. A lot of examples, a lot of tutorials, other courses there and books. There's always a way to figure out how to do something using Python on the web or with the help of somebody else. This also means that there's lots of jobs that require the use of Python. So it's a great programming language to use and to learn. Python is considered a high-level language. This means that a lot of tasks that lower-level languages make you responsible to complete are done for you. So you don't have to write as much code to complete the same task. That's kind of what it boils down to. With Python, you use less code to complete the same task as another, lower level programming language. And along with that, Python syntax is fairly simple and easier to learn than other languages, though it does take time and effort to master, like most tasks in life. Python is also a general purpose programming language. This word general purpose means that it can be used for all kinds of programs. Some languages are specific, or set for a specific purpose. But Python really can be used to develop all kinds of different computer programs. It's used in web development, scientific computing, automating tasks for yourself, just doing all sorts of different types of programs. Even some games are done in Python. It's really just this language that you can sit down and use to just really build most everything. Now, it can't do absolutely everything. It's not the best language for every task, but it's general purpose. It's sort of like a pair of shoes that you can wear in a lot of different environments, but may not be great at very specific environments. So for all of these things considered, Python is a great computer programming language to learn and use.